Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a transparent PNG using Photoshop. Transparent PNGs are useful for creating graphics with a transparent background that can be placed on top of other images or designs. To start, open your image in Photoshop. I'm going to use this cutecat photo as an example. Next, select the Object Selection tool from the toolbar on the left. This tool will allow you to select the object of your image. Once you have your object selected, add the layer mask. This will remove the background and leave you with a transparent area. To save your transparent PNG, go to File, Export and select Quick Export as PNG. And that's it. You now have a transparent PNG that you can use in your designs. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.